We got some rear shocks, sway bar link ends, and then some new hardware because one of the bolts that holds the fuel tank in is stripped. But we're going to leave it like this for a minute, and we're going to go up and do this Toys for Tots toy drive in Norman, Oklahoma. See you. Got it?
I don't think so.
Reverse.
There we go.
There you go. Now let it out. There you go. Don't lose them. Got one more?
Yep.
Come on, you got it.
Guess not. That's a lock nut.
Okay, so on the sway bar link, you're gonna, next is gonna be the sleeve. Okay, now you're going to push the bolt up a little bit. Well, all that's got to go down.
Oh.
It's tough. You got to get the bushings like really going down. There you go. Now, you're going to have another washer. Yep. Put the washer on upside down. Put it on first. There you go.
This way? Or this way?
Other way. All right, just let's see what you got left. So you got one washer. So those are going to go.
On the top.
That's going to go through the hole.
This?
Like, yeah, that's going to go through the hole.
Yeah, I'm trying to get it through the hole.
You may have to push the whole bolt a little bit.
Alright. Not strong enough. There we go.
There you go. There you go. You got it. Okay, so now
There's a lot of space.
what I did on the other side was I used the jack.
Oh, yeah.
So let me get the jack in. Okay, so I should have enough bolt in there. Go ahead and put the other bushing on, the washer, and then the nut. And just crank that bitch, or crank it down. Is it 14 or 15?
It's 15.
Getting the sway bar links on. Teaching Ricki how to do this.
Right, give me the shorter one.
Alright. Got it? Hold on. Okay. To get it tight, you need to reach more back on your wrench. Okay. All right. Now go ahead and go over them one more time and tighten them down a little bit. Just take that off. It'll be a lot easier. Perfect. All right. Can you crank the jack up?